Our lesson today is about food journey. Objectives. At the end of this presentation, the students should be able to differentiate between small intestine and large intestine, describe the food journey in the body. Digestive system is composed of a digestive tract and digestive gland. A digestive tract is a long muscular tract through which food passes. Digestive gland is a group of glands that secrete juices in the digestive tract. The secreted juices help in food digestion and transformation into simple nutrients. The digestive tract is composed of mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, whereas the digestive gland is composed of salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas, and intestinal glands. Small intestine versus large intestine. Small intestine is a thin muscular tube whose length is about 6 meters long, whereas the large intestine is a large muscular tube whose length is about 1.5 meters. Small intestine is the part between the stomach and the large intestine in the digestive system, whereas the large intestine is the last part of the digestive system. Small intestine contains digestive glands that secrete digestive juices that digest food and transform it into simple nutrients, while there are no digestive glands that secrete digestive juices in the large intestine. The small intestine carries out most of the digestive process, mixing food with the juices secreted in it to change food into simple nutrients that are absorbed into the bloodstream and then carried to all parts of the body. While the purpose of the large intestine is to absorb water and salts from the material that has not been digested as food into the bloodstream and get rid of any waste products left over the body. Small intestine helps in digestion and absorption, while the large intestine helps in absorption and elimination of wastes. Food journey. The journey begins in the mouth, where the teeth cut, tear up, and grind the food. Then the tongue moves and mixes the food with saliva secreted by the salivary glands. This makes food soft and easy to swallow. We know that in mouth we have incisors, canines, and molars. The incisors cut the food, canines tear up food, molars grind food. The tongue pushes the food into the esophagus, where muscles of the esophagus move food towards the stomach. The food stays in the stomach for 2 to 4 hours. The muscles of the stomach start contracting like a blender that mixes food with the digestive gastric juices released by the gastric glands that line up the wall of the stomach. Then the stomach sends the food to the small intestine in successive small quantities. Most of the digestive processes are completed in the small intestine, where the food is mixed with the intestinal juice that is secreted by the intestinal glands, the pancreatic juice that's secreted by the pancreas, and bile, which is secreted by the liver. The food becomes simple nutrients that are absorbed into the bloodstream and then carried to all parts of the body. The remaining indigestible food, water, and unabsorbed substances, food in the liquid form, move on into the large intestine, where much of the water is absorbed into the bloodstream. All the other remaining substances are eliminated from the body in the form of feces. Thank you.